Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create rewind effect in CapCut. Open CapCut and start new project. Click on the import button and select video footage to which you want to add a rewind effect. Identify part of footage where you want the rewind effect. Cut or copy this part and paste it on the original footage. Select copy clip. Click on reverse button to reverse playback of clip. Select reverse clip. Navigate to speed settings on the upper right hand side. Increase speed to create fast forward effect. Find copyright-free rewind green screen effect overlay. Import overlay to your project. Select overlay clip. Go to video cutout and enable chroma key. Use the color picker to select green part of overlay. Adjust strength to remove green background. Select the original footage, go to adjustment and find saturation. Decrease saturation, working to your desired level to make it black and white. Adjust length of the overlay clip to match original footage. You can either slow down the original footage or trim the overlay to match desired length. Now preview your video to ensure rewind effect looks as expected. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.